Alright, this is going to be PCV Valve Location on a 1999 Ford Explorer 4.0. Let's take a look at the emissions label. I guess I'll show you where the Egr valve is at too. First off, PCV valve. Looking at the diagram, it's on the back of the motor between two main vacuum lines. It's a real easy one. PCV valve is actually right there at the end of this hose, and it wraps around to the other side. So that white right there where my fingers went, those are like light gray with white writing. Right off this hose, right off the intake right here. So this hose goes straight to the PCV system. The PCV valve. Egr valve location. There's the DPFE for the Egr and the Egr itself. EVAP canister is located above the spare wheel. You can see it on the driver's side. Thanks for looking. Like, subscribe, ask if you want to see any more emissions locations. So like, subscribe, share. Thank you.